So I'm at the dump in Detroit. Check this out. These trucks are huge. And then here's my husband here emptying the back end of our trailer behind our pickup truck. And then, oh, I want you to see this tractor over here. It's so cool. It's moving all the trash, and all the trash back there is like gets smashed down into this huge pit. I can't get out the car because I don't have the right vest on. There he is pulling the stuff out. And then here's this another big truck. Oh my goodness. This is fun. There it is. There's this big tractor thing. Look at that. Smashing all the garbage in. And they've got this tractor. Like, isn't that everyone's dream to push a garbage around with a tractor? Like a, whatever you call that front thing like that? How fun is that? Oh, look at this one. It's all tipped up. There they are. This is what happens to the trash in Detroit. This is where it goes. It just seems like it should be a huge pile somewhere. But I guess we're at the top of the pile because then it all gets, oh, look at that. Oh, all that trash. I really want to ask the guys working here if they ever go grab anything out because it's actually a treasure. Like there's a basketball right there. Look, that doesn't look like trash. But this is what happens in Detroit to all the trash. Oh wait, there's that big truck back there. That's the one smashing it all down. Look at all these trucks coming barreling in. And they're so close to the front of our pickup truck. Oh my gosh. Look at, there's another one full of trash. This one's like heaving, like a dog throwing up. Heaving and heaving. And here's the trash man. Big dude. He's probably just a teddy bear.
what you do is you weigh in, and then you go back through the scales on the way out. Obviously, you weigh less because of all the garbage you took off, and then they charge you for that amount.
But I thought you already went in and paid.
I did. They just charge you for a ton. So now look at the difference. So we had
What was
almost
it before?
92 or 94. So now we're 880. So that means we had over 1,000 pounds of trash.